If you've ever had someone on your team who's a natural cheerleader, that person who just gets so excited to see the growth in others, there's a good chance they have the developer talent. They truly believe that everyone has the potential to thrive when given enough encouragement. When I've worked with people with this talent, they've often noticed potential and growth in others that I've sometimes missed. Other team members seek them out for help because of their high levels of patience and genuine interest in others' success. They believe that failure is part of the learning process, and the only mistake is the one where nothing is learned. Celebrate the small wins. Don't wait to celebrate the mega achievements at the end of projects. Instead, praise the small wins along the way as well. There is nothing more motivating for this talent than to focus purely on the end result, rather than the incremental improvements that get us there. Stretch them. Give them the opportunities to coach, mentor, or teach others in the team. Leave the how-to up to them. They are energised by adapting their style to each individual's needs. They will stimulate growth and development in people so they can reach their higher levels of personal effectiveness. Recognise their impact. Notice and recognise when they've helped others to perform. Say things like, "They couldn't have achieved that result without your support." This will reinforce their self-awareness as a person who does help others to excel and stretch. Utilise their people focus. When you need someone whose first focus is always through the lens of valuing people, lean on them. If there is an unbalanced focus on systems and processes, they can help you see what's going on with the people doing the work. Encourage them to praise. Set them up to reward and recognise others in the team. They'll be motivated to select achievements that deserve praise, and the team will know that it comes from a genuine and authentic place. People with the developer talent have the ability to see raw potential, noticing even the smallest amount of progress. But there may also be times when they use their talent unproductively. Because they can become so focused on the process of investing in another person's growth, they can lose sight of the overall outcomes, often holding on too long to those who are chronically underperforming, hoping they can do better. You may also observe them failing to prioritise their own development, missing opportunities to learn from others or grow their own capability. Make sure that you're having transparent conversations with them about where they are focusing their energy. Help them to reflect on where the greatest potential may be in each individual, with an understanding that there are sometimes limits to how much they can help someone grow. Help them to not lose sight of the outcome because they may get too focused on the process of investing in someone's growth. Also, recommend they prioritise their own self-development by asking themselves questions about where they can focus on their own potential or what mentors they might need. Having a developer talent on your team means you have someone who will be genuinely interested in others' progress and see opportunities that they may not even see in themselves. Give them an opportunity to teach, mentor, and invest time in others, and they will help the team find and maximise their potential.